Meet Dazzle, a mighty support healer.
Dazzle!
Here we see Dazzle placing an observer ward, as a good support should. Very good, Dazzle.
Dazzle!
Here we see Dazzle denying creeps, as a good support should.
Dazzle!
Oh look, Dazzle! Your ward spotted a double damage rune in the river. Your middle lane buddy, Pudge, may want to bottle it. Then again, your teammate may screw this up. You better take it just to be sure it's not in the hands of a moron to help your team,
Double damage.
as a good support should. You're gonna need to build items in order to help your team. Better get some last hits, as any good support would.
Dazzled!
Oh look, a fight! Join the fray and help your team. If enemy health is low, a good support would perform a kill secure to ensure that it dies.
Dazzle!
Now your team may not know it, but they're only going to win because of you. Disregard any requests to buy a flying courier, as that would interrupt your farm. Looks like you're heading toward a win, Dazzle. With your helpful support, your team will achieve victory.
Dazzle!